Welcome to JH. Today we are examining Ggvtrendcom, a site gaining attention for its skincare advertisements, specifically for GLP-1 patches and eye-tightening creams. Their buy one, get one free offers are also attracting a lot of interest. This isn't a smear campaign. We are just consolidating what people are reporting online. If you are considering a purchase, it is vital to conduct your own investigation first. Observers have noted that the items sold here look remarkably similar to products available for very low prices on wholesale platforms like Alibaba. While dropshipping is a legitimate business strategy, the massive price markups without clear justification are concerning. Another strange detail is the website's terms of service, which is dated February 7, 2025, despite the domain not being registered until March 20, 2025. This discrepancy often indicates that the site content was simply copied from elsewhere. The site also lacks a contact phone number and lists a very generic address, which is not typical for a professional company. Furthermore, the return policy is quite vague. Although they advertise a money-back guarantee, there are no specific instructions or contact methods provided for actually securing a refund. This could be a major issue if you encounter a problem with your order. Customer feedback adds to these concerns, with some reporting they received off-brand or completely different items than what was shown in the ads. In many cases, shoppers expected a specific brand but received a low-quality knockoff. Others have stated that their orders never arrived at all, and their attempts to reach customer service were ignored. Because of these experiences, some users have labeled the site a scam. We cannot confirm if these issues are deliberate or just poor management, but the lack of transparency is a significant red flag. If you are browsing this site, please be very careful.